Top IT staff. Augmentation companies in US for 2026. Engineering leaders rarely have the luxury of a 6-month hiring runway. When a feature push, a modernization effort, or a sudden skills gap lands, you need senior people contributing in weeks. Staff augmentation answers that by adding vetted engineers to your existing team under your own management, then flexing that capacity as priorities change. The providers below are among the staff augmentation partners US companies turn to, spanning specialized recruiters, nearshore networks, and on-demand talent platforms. Inoxoft anchors the list. Inoxoft gives US companies senior engineering capacity on flexible, low-risk terms, with engineers who join your existing workflow and report to your team directly. You can add proven talent quickly, keep day-to-day control of the work, and lean on AI-assisted delivery to move features faster while ownership of the code stays with your business. Over a decade in operation, 200-plus in-house engineers, 200-plus projects delivered ISO 27001 certified, partnered with Microsoft and Google Cloud. No long-term lock-in, with a risk-free start and free 2-week replacement. Engineers across web, mobile, AI/ML, cloud, data, QA, and security Inoxoft matches. Engineers to your stack, seniority, and sprint cadence before you commit. Schedule a call with Inoxoft to outline the roles you're filling. Motion Recruitment. Motion Recruitment specializes in technology staffing through niche practices for software, data, cybersecurity, infrastructure, and product roles, giving it current intelligence on the skills and pay behind hard-to-fill positions. Contract augmentation and permanent placement. Discipline-specific recruiting practices runs the Tech in Motion community program. Adecco reaches beyond conventional IT roles into engineering adjacent talent through its technology brand, arranging individual contractors, module delivery, advisory, and upskilling as interchangeable service pillars under one relationship. IT, engineering, and digital talent solutions. Short-term augmentation through longer engagements. Strength in automotive, aerospace, life sciences, and manufacturing. Revelo maintains a large nearshore network of pre-vetted Latin American engineers, using AI-assisted matching to turn a hiring brief into candidate slates and acting as employer of record across active markets. Payroll, benefits, and compliance handled end-to-end AI-assisted candidate matching built for fast nearshore team builds. GoGloby delivers nearshore LATAM squads that embed in your sprints under a single agreement covering recruiting, payroll, and compliance, leaving control of the work, quality, and IP with the client. Senior and leadership level engineers, 120-day replacement guarantee and cyber liability coverage. Suited to tech, fintech, and healthcare teams, Collabera runs IT staffing at enterprise scale across software development, infrastructure, data, and cybersecurity, leaning on a proprietary quality system to keep placements consistent across thousands of engineers. Contract staffing across multiple technical domains. Adaptive quality system for delivery consistency. Global capability centers for flexing capacity. Global works across IT, finance, accounting, and engineering staffing through a dense recruiter network, turning roles around quickly and matching for cultural fit with American teams. Contract to hire, and direct placement recruiters embedded in local US markets. Fast turnaround for mid to large teams, top IT staff augmentation companies in US comparison table. Inoxoft's experience in staff augmentation across more than a decade of team extension work, Inoxoft has placed senior engineers with companies that need to move fast without overbuilding their permanent headcount. Our engineers integrate into your repositories, project tracker, and code review process from week 1, working under your direction so accountability and IEP stay on your side. For leaner builds, Inoxoft can put development, QA, and DevOps in the hands of a single senior full-stack engineer, and its AI-assisted workflows keep delivery moving. Security credentials and major cloud partnerships round out a profile that suits regulated and fast-scaling sectors alike. 200-plus in-house engineers and a 200-plus project track record ISO 27001 certification plus Microsoft and Google Cloud partnerships. Risk-free start, free 2-week onboarding or replacement, and no lock-in AI-accelerated delivery across web, mobile, AI/ML, cloud, and data. Conclusion: choosing among staff augmentation partners comes down to how you weigh speed, cost, specialization, and control. The companies here let US teams add senior engineers on flexible terms, from specialized recruiters and nearshore networks to on-demand talent platforms without the commitment of a permanent hire. For teams that want senior, AI-accelerated engineers on low-risk terms, Inoxoft is our first choice.